Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for the spice of the month of November, which is cumin, and the recipe is quick chipotle black beans. Cumin is pale and green seed of Cumin cyaninium, a small herb in the parsley family. The seed is uniformly elliptical and deeply furrowed. An ancient spice, cumin is native to the shores of the Mediterranean Sea in Egypt. Currently it is grown in many places as it is easy to grow and adapts well to many climates. Cumin is one of the ancient spices, a favorite of the Romans and mentioned in the Old Testament. During medieval times it was favored in Europe and Britain, but it seems to have gradually lost favor in those places. The increasing popularity of Mexican-influenced foods is boosting the sale of cumin. This recipe is taken from the book that you can check out here at the library. It's Budget Bites by Beth Monsell. The ingredients you will need to make the recipe are 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 can of black beans, the 15-ounce size, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 can of the 7-ounce chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. So in a small saucepan, I'm going to turn the heat on here, and we're going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using the olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil as well. Just pour that into there, and to that we're going to add 1 clove of garlic, finely minced. So we're going to heat this over medium heat until the garlic starts to become fragrant for about 2 minutes. You don't want to get it too hot because if you burn the garlic, it changes the flavor. So I'm going to adjust the heat down a little so it won't get too hot. All right, and to that we're going to add the 15-ounce can of black beans with the juice. All right, and stir that around. And then 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And then you take 1 of the peppers from the small can and chop in the adobo sauce, the chipotle pepper, and you add that to the mixture. And give that a stir. And I'm going to bring the heat up just a little bit. I'm going to also add the cumin, which is 1/2 of a teaspoon. We'll kind of bring this to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes. It's really already cooked, but you just want all the flavors to come together. Now it's coming to a boil, so I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. And then we cook this for 5 minutes until the flavors come together, and it'll be ready to serve. I'm going to put the lid on that. So our beans have cooked for like 5 minutes. It doesn't take long because really you're just blending the flavors together. They're ready to serve. You can serve this over white rice or yellow rice. It'd be a good side dish with Mexican food. Here's your finished product. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you look for more from the Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.